The process begins with freshly harvested salmon, arriving in temperature-controlled trucks. Each fish is inspected to meet strict quality standards. Before cutting begins, the fish are thoroughly washed to remove impurities.
Alert on Sector Gamma.
Acknowledged. Rerouting flow now.
We need to increase the pressure on line 3.
Confirmed. Adjusting now.
Advanced machines precisely separate the fillets from bone. After trimming, the fillets move forward for automated sorting and packaging. Fillets are sorted by weight and size to meet market requirements. Each package is labeled for full traceability and food safety. Sealed fillets are carefully packed into shipping boxes, ready for cold storage. Packaging seals are tested to ensure freshness and safety. The pallets are wrapped to protect them during transport. Robotic systems stack the boxes for efficient storage. Finished products are moved into cold storage, ready for global distribution.
Approved fillets continue toward distribution.
Every salmon fillet is carefully inspected before leaving the factory.
Each shipment is digitally tracked for accuracy and traceability.
Once packed, the boxes are securely sealed.
Any product that doesn't meet standards is removed immediately.
Finished products are stored in cold warehouses to preserve freshness. Refrigerate transport keeps the salmon fresh during delivery.
The cold chain remains unbroken from factory to destination. This is how millions of salmon fillets reach markets around the world.